Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared in here because I want to cancel about the fraction 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 in here. That's why we need to use about u to the power of 2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to use the u. So I will put this one going here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have u to the power of 3 because number 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 we have number 3. Number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 we have u. Because u to the power of 1, that is about u. Next, we can do about factorization by u. Next, we simplify u and u on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 2 going here. Next, u square minus 1. Number 1, that's about 1 square. Now this is about identity. And we can put like this. So number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. Now I will put u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. Next, this one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divide by this one, and u minus 1 divided by u minus 1, we have number 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u plus 1, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one, so we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the square root of s equals to u. And now I will put this one to change for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.